Burn them!
Fireworks.
So, Tristan, what do you know about the 5th of November? Tell me the story.
The king wanted everyone to be a Protestant like him.
Right.
And
Which king?
James the First.
Very good.
And then Guy Fawkes decided the Catholics were unhappy, so Guy Fawkes decided to kill the king by talking to his friend the Catholics.
Yes, they objected to the Protestant lack of belief in the transubstantiation, didn't they?
Yes.
Yes. Yes. Amongst other things.
And then he putted some gunpowder in some barrels and then hided it up with wood in the Houses of Parliament. And
Very
then
good.
Lord Monteagle got a warning letter not to go there. He showed the king and then he sent his army to search and then they hurted him by pulling and stretching him because they found him and then he found Guy Fawkes and then they had to pull him.
And did he say, "Thank you, Guy Fawkes, it was very cold in Parliament and we needed some heat"?
No, they
No.
said, that wasn't very nice. It's not good. We will die if you do that.
Yes.
So they hurted him because he didn't tell who helped him. And then he finally did and then they searched and then they had a battle and then they all died except James I and Lord Monteagle.
Yeah, they all died happily ever after.
No, sadly ever after.
Oh. Woo. Well, thank you for that story, Tristan.